Hello, hello. It is Sunday. Welcome back to our busy homestead. I am Danielle. If you are new here, I am the mom of 10, and lately we've just been showing you the big projects we have going on in our week. Today is Sunday, July 13th, and I'm out in the office doing Brian's books for his business. Joshua's outside selling the last few melons that he has from Wednesday. Brian has been working on a transmission issue with one of the cars that we have to sell. And sadly, I think one of the other cars that we had gotten to sell is going to go back to the auction. That'll be the first time we've ever done that in like 80 cars that we've sold now. That's a bummer, but also trusting the Father for whatever it is that we're supposed to be doing. Abby just came out to visit. Say hello.
I know we avoided.
What?
We open.
Oh, okay. So I don't think we have a whole lot planned today. Probably just hang out a little bit.
Yeah, and Daddy.
I got one sentence.
Yeah, and Daddy.
You want to hang out with Daddy? He's working.
And you don't put me.
Can I say something else?
No.
Can I say it now?
No.
Okay, right now I'm going to say it.
Okay.
Okay.
Then my turn. Okay.
But the rest of the week is going to be pretty busy, so I'm enjoying the not busy day today.
Okay, let's be tired.
There's Brookie working. There's Dad working.
Yep.
You have a transmission problem?
Yes, we need a transmission.
Okay.
Which isn't a big deal, but it's a big deal trying to find one.
Okay, you'll find one.
Yeah. Oh, I found one.
Awesome. Can we pick it up tomorrow while we're dropping the other car at the auction?
I'll have to call them and find out.
Okay.
And find out how many miles they have on them.
Great.
So.
Good job. Hey y'all, it is Monday now, July 14th, and we didn't have, well, some of us had a busy day. I didn't have a busy day. Joshua did some mowing for a job that he has, and Brooke and Bailey did some content creation, and Brian worked on some vehicles. We were going to return a car to the auction today, but decided against it. I think Brian is tossing around fixing it, even though it's going to be a heck of a job to do in our driveway. But I have complete faith in him. He just needs to get some faith in himself. So what we're doing now is, it is Monday evening, and we are picking up, since I wasn't doing anything, I wasn't that busy, I hitched a ride with Brian to pick up a transmission for another car that he's working on. And we're going to, if all goes well, the plan is for me to drop him off with Brooke and Joshua at their monthly B meeting. If that doesn't work out, then we'll just go home. But if so, I can drop him off, and then I can just drive home, and they can come home when they're done their meeting, because Brooke will have the other car. So that's the game plan, but you know, traffic and all of that good stuff. So we'll see what happens.
Hey guys, it's Tuesday the 15th, and us older 5 people are going to go to lunch and go check out a thrift store, which is gonna be fun, right? Yes. Awesome. So yesterday, me and Joshua, and then Dad met us there because he went to Fort Worth. We have a monthly bee club meeting. And so we went to that last night, and then Dad met us there. I didn't get any footage yesterday. By the time that we got out, it was like 9 o'clock and it was dark, so I couldn't film in the car. But it was really good. We always learn a lot when we go there. It's great to talk to people. And in September, I'm supposed to do, so they have like someone there who does normally like a talk. So in September, they would like me to do a talk on flowers to grow in like a 12 by 12 space for bees. So that's exciting. So we'll have to share some of that when I start like prepping for it and stuff. So we've been going there since like May, I think. Yeah, possibly. I think since May, since we first got the bees. And so we're super excited. It's always a great experience, and we always learn so much from them. That's funny. So we didn't find anything at Goodwill at all whatsoever. So we are on our way back now. We had a great time. What about you boys?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's Wednesday morning. Me and Jonathan milked the cow this morning because Dad and Josh and Mom went to go get melons. And so today is Marigold's 6th birthday. She is our oldest and first cow. We got her before she turned 3. So we've been keeping cows for over 3 years now. Isn't that exciting? And I'm going to, for the occasion, live stream this morning on YouTube and tonight on TikTok to celebrate Mary's birthday. So if you guys missed the YouTube live stream, since this is on YouTube, I'll go ahead and link the replay down below for you guys so you guys can go see it. We're gonna feed the cows treats, so we'll see how that goes. Slurpee and Little Moo have been very much enjoying the treats lately, so I think we're gonna see a lot of them. But we will see you guys later.
Good morning. It is Wednesday. I don't know the date. Anybody know the date? Whatever Wednesday is. 16th, Sam says. We are doing the Wednesday melon run. So you sold all of your 50 melons last week, right?
Yes.
And how many did you get this week?
46.
Yeah, because they didn't have it anymore, right? Any more red diamonds. So, how much have you made now? This is your 5th week. So how much did you make doing melons in 4 weeks?
I forget the exact price.
I think it was like $1,200.
Yes.
A little over
I think I knew it was
$1,200.
over 1,000.
Yeah, so you've done pretty well for yourself. Just selling melons. Right?
Yep.
Plus your other summer jobs.
Yes.
You're having a good summer.
Yep.
Sam will be following in your footsteps soon, I'm sure. Right, Sam?
Yep.
All right. There's that guy, too.
I've had a pretty good summer too.
All right, it's Thursday. They went to get watermelons yesterday. They got 46 and they're down to 32. So they've sold 14 melons already. They have some really cool looking ones too, like these really long ones, which I think is pretty awesome. So they have some different kinds. I think yellow, red diamonds, obviously, orange, red seeded. So all kinds of different ones. Having fun, Matthew? Sitting out here selling them? Good job. High five. We're at our local city park and we're about to do some volunteer work. I don't want to like get out and film because there's already people here and I don't want to get these people's faces without their permission. So I'll let you guys know what we do when we get back in the truck. I think we're doing some trimming, weeding. I think that's it. She said it should take about an hour. So, and Samuel came with me today and Dad, but he's in a different car because he has to take a car to the tire store after this. So all right, so we are back. We just did what I said, just a little bit of clipping some stuff back and weeding. The garden looks amazing now. We normally go like every few weeks, but we like sort of switch off. So she'll like call us to go like every few weeks and then someone else like, so the garden gets taken care of like probably every couple weeks, maybe every 3 weeks. It gets weeded and everything. So it looks really nice now again, as always. And I'm about to get ready to edit this video for you guys. So I hope you all enjoyed our week this week. It definitely was much slower, but a much needed break from our last few weeks that have been absolutely insane. And we're going to be going back to just a crazy week again next week because we have our girls trip next week starting Wednesday. So we're super excited about that. We'll make sure to post a video for you guys about us getting ready and everything. And so y'all can see that too. So don't forget to like, subscribe if you do, drop a comment, and let us know what your favorite part of the week was. Bye.